businessman who will claim to serve customers as God. How do you solve their charging problems? As a phone freak, do you feel these troubles and
No doubt we are living in a world with a lot of problems when it comes to charge your devices. The ROMOSS team has created a new, powerful charging station which provides a new charging solution for everyone.
ROMOSS charger stations is made by a 100W quick charging dock and power banks charged by special metal contact. Just one click of power switch, you can charge 810,000 mAh power banks fast with 2A at the same time. Plus, we also offer a charger station with 4 power banks for family and small business owners. To improve our service and customers' experience, we also developed a retractable charging cable for both iOS and Android handsets. And every power bank have dual USB output ports, which can charge phones with high speed. We are trying to popularize charging service in the world, so we can charge anytime, anywhere. Charging should not be difficult.